Hello and welcome to everyone. My name is Yogesh Bodse. Today we will discuss crystal structure and properties, energy and packing. There are two types of atomic bonding, non-dense random packing and dense regular packing. So the graph showing energy versus the atomic radius shows the energy of non-dense random packing is more as compared to the energy of dense regular packing. Materials and packing. There are two types of materials, crystalline materials and non-crystalline materials. Atoms pack in a periodic three-dimensional array. This is called as what? Crystalline material. Typically are metals, many ceramics, some polymers. These are the example of a crystalline materials. For non-crystalline materials, atoms have no periodic packing, occurs for complex structure and rapid cooling. The example of non-crystalline material is the amorphous material. Metallic crystal. These are the properties, some properties of metallic crystal. They tend to be densely packed. They have several reasons for dense packing. First reason is typical only one element is present, so all atomic radii are the same. Metallic bonding is not a directional bonding. Third reason is nearest neighbor distance tend to be small in order to lower the bond energy. And the last feature of metallic crystal is have a simplest crystal structure. There are three such structure. Simple cubic structure. They are rare due to poor packing. Only polonium has this structure. Next is what? Close pack direction are the cube edges. Coordination number of the simple cubic structure is what? 6. Atomic packing factor is equal to volume of atoms in a unit cell divided by volume of a unit cell. Assume it is a hard sphere. Atomic packing factor for simple cubic structure is 0.52. How it comes? I will put the values in the formula. Atoms per unit cell is 1 into 4/3 pi r cube. R is what? Atomic radius, and r is equal to 0.5 a. This is for what? A simple cubic structure divided by a cube, that is volume of unit cell. And closed pack direction contains 8 into 1 by 8, that is 1 atoms per unit cell. This is the 1 atom per unit cell comes out like this. Next crystal structure is BCC, that is body center cubic structure. Closed pack direction are the cube diagonals, and the atom which is at the center is of a different color for easily understanding. Coordination number of this is 8. Atomic packing factor of BCC is 0.68. Closed pack direction length is equal to 4r, which is equal to root 3 times a. A is the side of the cube. Unit cell contains 1, that is center atom 1, plus 8 corners into 1 by 8, which is equal to 2 atoms per unit cell. So atoms per unit cell is for BCC is 2. So in atomic packing formula, 2 into 4/3 pi, r is what? Root 3 a by 4 into cube raised to divided by a cube, that is volume of unit cell. Closed pack direction are phase diagonal for the FCC structure. Coordination number is 12. Atomic packing factor similar way. Closed pack direction length 4r, which is equal to root 2a. Unit cell contains 6 into 1 by 2 plus 8 into 1 by 8, 4 atoms per unit cell, and atomic packing factor comes out to be 0.74. FCC static sequence, ABC static sequence. This green color shows the A side, blue color shows B side, and this color shows the C side. This is the brown color. FCC unit cell is looking like this. Hexagonal closed pack SCP crystal structure having AB static sequence, 3D projection, A side, B side, A side, top layer, middle layer, and the bottom layer for the different colors. Coordination number is 12, and atomic packing factor is 0.74. So guys, this is all about the crystal structure and basic crystal structure. So thank you. Please like, share and comment